Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's from pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the future, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. light up, watching them candles profits. While I'm still in my same big profit. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profit. That TTG money gang. Hey, make profit. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the TrueCube live stream. Happy Friday, and a happy Friday. It is indeed over 50% gain. NVIDIA put options today. That's the play of the day for myself. We also had a bunch of other bangers going on inside of chat. End phase to the long side, to the downside. Just a fantastic day inside of chat from not just NVIDIA, my trade, but also the other moderators, Trading Group, and members capitalizing on it in a big way. It's a great way to finish off what has been a fantastic week and what honestly has been a fantastic start to 2023. Right? There's so much going on in this market. Are we going to have a recession? Are we going to have a soft landing? Is the labor market going to hold up? I hear about all these big tech companies and their layoffs. How is unemployment at a 50-year low? How is all of this coming together with inflation, with Jerome Powell, with the Fed? It's crazy. And it's about to get a hell of a lot crazier on Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. You are going to get your CPI inflation number for the month of January. It's going to be very interesting because gasoline prices have started to climb a little bit higher, right? You have China reopening. Is China reopening going to start to fuel inflation and start to continue to push commodity prices back up? China being the largest consumer of commodities in the world. Is that going to start to help? Is that going to cause a little bit of a resurgence in inflation? Is this number going to come in hot? If it does, what is that going to mean for this rally that you've had to start off 2023? How quickly could that evaporate? And how quickly could everybody go from max pessimism in September and October of 2022 to max greed and FOMO here to start 2023? How quickly can that sentiment change? You saw yesterday how quickly sentiment can change. We had a lot of people that were scared, that were worried about the market sell-off that you had yesterday. And we came in today expecting some little more weak individual names, and we caught those trades to the downside. So I still have a small piece of an AMD short. That's the only position that I currently have open. I am flat NVIDIA. So full disclosure, as we are live, I am flat NVIDIA. I got flat NVIDIA at 208.81 earlier today, short from 215 and change. That position is completely closed out and off the table. I am short AMD from just over 81.50, but like 85, 80, about 80% of that position is off the table. So I still have about 20% of the position on AMD. So I'll walk you guys through that. And I don't plan on holding it over the weekend. I will be flat before the close. So we'll talk about that there as well. So welcome to the final trading hour of the day, the final trading hour of the week, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader and co-founder of Trading Group, the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that is available for the retail trader today. So if you are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you have come to the right place. Welcome to our live stream. We do these 6 days a week, Sunday through Friday, where myself, other TTG Pro trading moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, analysis, trade ideas that can help you guys become better traders. So take a moment and smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on these lives. We share golden nuggets and educational lessons on a daily basis. But why should you listen to anything that we discuss? Good question. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I began my career working for a fund in New York City, my first job out of college. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession. The stock market crashed, but also the same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. You see, I had to go through a 3-month educational training program before they let me touch $1 of their money. That's where I learned how to trade. I didn't have to go on YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, read books, stuff out on my own. I was very lucky and fortunate for that. All right. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder, trader of Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other investment trading mods and a 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of traders from all over the world, represented in around 100 different countries, reach their goals of becoming profitable in the markets. See, we're the fastest growing and highest rate platform out there because we combine university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We do live workshops and provide mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures, and do all styles of trading. day trading, swing trading, and also long-term investing. We cover it all inside of TTG. But we take that university level of curriculum, we pair it with today's top industry tools that successful traders use that give them more information, help them make better decisions, increases their chances of success. I assure you that successful traders on Wall Street do not get their trading ideas from Reddit, from Twitter, or Discords, right? They use these tools, so should you. The problem is these tools are expensive if you go to pay for them on your own, like Benzinga Pro's newsfeed, the TradingView charting system, the Trade Idea Scanner, Quote Media's Full Book Level 2, dark pool data, congressional trades data, short data, insider buying, insider selling, analyst ratings, social sentiment scanners, a trading journal. All of these things would cost you around $5,000 or $6,000 a year if you were to pay for them on your own. We have spent years as a company building relationships with these firms so we can take their products and put them on the TTG platform at no additional cost to you. It is all included when you guys join the annual membership to TTG. That saves you around $5,000 to $6,000 a year right there. You also get access to all of our members, the TTG family, as we call it, the most helpful, supportive, educated, and successful community of traders and investors that you will ever find. And of course, you're going to get all the real-time trade alerts from myself, the other TTG Pro trading mods that are able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going past 3 years. So again, folks, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your notifications. You guys don't ever want to miss out on anything it is that we are discussing on these live streams. All right. So what happened today? Today's a digestion day in the markets. Today's a digestion day in the markets. We are holding beneath a very key resistance level. If you guys caught my live stream yesterday, after we had the sell-off day yesterday, I told you guys on last night's live stream, you can go back and watch the live stream. It's right here on this YouTube channel. When we're finished here, if you want to go back and watch it, go right ahead. I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. Come on here. I tell you, yeah, we'll recap, what we did on the day and what lessons you can learn. But I will always give you my thoughts and my analysis come for the week to come, etc. So you guys know exactly where my head's at and how I plan on making money throughout this process. So we said very specifically for today, the game plan was going to be short bounces back into 408 on the SPY. That's been the entire game plan, the entire premise of the trading day today, and it's worked out masterfully. Okay, if you take a look and we draw a line across 408 on the SPY, there it is. There's 408. Now, where did I get this 408 level from? I didn't pull it out of thin air. When you take a look back and we zoom this out, you guys will see very, very clearly, all right, to the left, you can see all of this support that you have there at 408. And you're also lining up right around like that 4,100 level on the S&P, a huge level of support for the S&P, and this 408, a huge level of support for the SPY. Now, yesterday, we broke underneath this level of support right there. Then you will see it then became resistance going into the close. And then all day today, you can see every time that we have gotten up here and knocked on that 408 level, you've gotten a pullback in the market off of that level. And what we have been doing today is shorting stocks off of that 408 level, stocks that are relatively weak on the day. And the one that is one of the weakest names out there on the day is none other than NVIDIA, right? This is the play of the day for me today on NVIDIA. Members were able to capitalize on a 50% gain on put options. We talked about NVIDIA. It was one of the top trade ideas from the pre-market game plan. Every single day in True Trading Group, you guys have to understand, every single day in TTG, we come on and we will tell you exactly what our thought process is for the day. The moderators and I give you a watch list and game plan before the market opens every day, a list of the stocks that we are focusing on, where we believe the opportunity, the momentum is going to be, and how we plan on positioning and trading the stock. So this is the prices we're going to be buying or shorting. These are the prices we're going to be selling or covering. This is going to be our stop loss. That whole game plan is given to you guys before the market ever even opens. NVIDIA on that list today off of this previous level that I'm going to draw right across screen for you guys here now. Draw this level right across the screen of 221. So there's your level of 221. Now, for those who are wondering, where did that level come from? We did not pick it out of thin air. Take a look. Previous resistance, right? Then you broke through it. Then you'll see that the level became support. And then yesterday, there it became support. So there's a key level of support. 221 on Nvidia is the equivalent to the SPY 408 that I just showed you. When we go back to the SPY, right? There's 408 on the SPY, and then Nvidia, similar, right? That same type of level, 221. Today, we gapped underneath 221, and the whole plan was, guys, look for shorts on Nvidia back into that 221 level, and you guys can see very day right into that level, big strong rejection, and the rest is absolutely history. Toast. We absolutely murdered this thing today, right off that game plan, right off that watch list. We took the short, and then we're just covering this position all throughout this move to the downside with a final take profit off the table at 208.81 is the final take on Nvidia. Congratulations, guys. An absolute monster banger of a trade today on Nvidia. TTG fam, I want to know if you guys made money in chat today. Tell me how you did. Congratulations, TTG fam. A fantastic way to finish out the week. My TTG fam, I need to know a question. I need to know the answer to a question. We have a lot of members that are with us here right now on this live stream. I want to know if you guys are making money and you're becoming better traders with your trading group. I want you to go ahead right now. I want you to type the $sign. Tell me how you did. You know, I love it when the whole team hits. We've been absolutely on fire, right? We've been on fire. Enphase, monster. Coinbase, monster. If you guys were on the live stream yesterday, we had Shy, one of our moderators. We went through the Coinbase trade, the Amazon trade, absolute monster trades. Jessica Woodard, another one of our moderators, Meta from yesterday's short at 184.5 today, all the way down towards 174. Just a monster of a trade. Members were able to catch all of that, and then we come flying back on top with Nvidia today. Just a fantastic way to finish out the week, guys. These people that you're seeing typing $signs, folks, if you're not a member, these people are no different from you. They're not. I love them to death, but there's nothing special about them. They're not smarter than you. They don't have more money than you. They don't have more experience than you. They don't have more time. They sure as hell don't have more luck. What they do have is access to a real professional level of education and access to real professional tools that help them make better decisions, that help them put themselves in higher probability situations to profit from the action that you're seeing in this market. And make no mistake about it, I've been doing this for 17 years. This is the best trading environment that I have ever seen. And members are capitalizing on it right in front of your face. Just count how many people are typing the $sign. You can't, because there's too many of them. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yes, $1,300. Great job. 108% gain for my boy Reaper Trades. Great job. Jay Fipsy, 203% gain. Enphase, 100% gain for my boy Bruce. Yes, Mems World. I love it. Mems World goes, Mike, you jumped in Nvidia right after me, which means what? Mems World entering the trade before I did. And that is a testament to the education and the learning process that members are going through. Members are no longer having to rely on trade alerts from myself or the other moderators because they're educated. They now know what to look for. They understand the setups that the moderators and I go after. And when they see them, they act on them. They don't even need to wait for trade alerts. You will realize your maximum potential as a trader when you are able to enter trades on your own. Of course, you can follow all the moderators if you'd like. We tell you what we're going to do before we actually do it. We all are talking to you live on the microphone as we're trading. You all see our screens during the day. So before I ever get into a trade, I come on the mic, I tell everybody, guys, I'm going to short the stock at this price. Guys, I'm going to get long the stock at this price. Members know what I'm going to do before I actually do it. And then when my orders actually fill, all the moderators, you'll actually get push notifications that come through inside chat or also on the mobile app. Now, the mobile app is really great for people that have busy schedules, you're working full-time jobs or whatever it is. You can't be in front of your computer all day long. The mobile app, as long as you guys have your cell phone, iPhone or Android, you download the app. It's free when you're a member of TTG. You can see the screen share. You can listen to the audio commentary. Best part, though, you get real-time push notifications when the mods enter and exit trades. Not a text message. Text messages are like 3 to 5 minutes delayed based on your carrier when you send out bulk messages like that. That's not acceptable. 3 to 5 minutes in the stock market is an eternity, right? It's an eternity. you guys will be getting real-time notifications. That's how so many members that have busy schedules are able to follow along and benefit from everything that we do inside of True Trading Group. Right? So congrats, guys. Excellent, excellent, excellent job. All right. Guys, I want to bring on for a quick little message here. I want to bring on my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. Everybody give a big warm ayo to Adam, whose birthday is in 2 days. Everybody say happy birthday to you.
Today's live stream is brought to you by Bang. No, I'm just kidding. It isn't. But Bang, sponsor us. Sammer and I both drink your product. Anyways. I can't believe that Shy Martin is in chat right now. She should be at a cabin, I believe, probably enjoying her weekend after such a monster
I would
week.
say so. I'd say that she is.
Yeah, Shy, get off the live stream and go enjoy your weekend. All right. All right. So I real quick, man. I have to give an apology to everybody on here, right? Mm-hmm. Yesterday there was a live stream that obviously we do one every day, but the live stream yesterday, I got really upset at Mike for doing what it is that we've done since day one, which is which is to help people,
right.
So, hang on 1 second. Sammer. Yeah, I need 5 minutes. Oh, you good? All right. Can you shut my door, please? I'm talking to like almost 800 people, and it's weird. So, I owe you guys, for anyone that was on here yesterday, I owe you an apology, right? Why do I owe you an apology? Because I got upset with Mike for doing what we had always used to do on here and still do on here, right? Which is to help people. I think the guy's name was it Arnold?
Arnold, yeah. Arnold, yeah.
Arnold, there was some guy on live stream yesterday that, told us that he had some bad experiences in some past groups and really didn't know what to do and wanted to sign up. He ended up signing up. But we were supposed to, what we have been moving towards was really trying to slow down the annual membership signups, right? Not because we don't like money or want to grow the business, but because we don't want to turn into something that we're not. We don't want to have 20,000 people there, with the wrong intentions. It's something that, True Trading Group, if all BS aside, True Trading Group is a pretty special place, man, that we've built. There's a hell of a camaraderie. There's a hell of a family atmosphere. People are being successful, and the ones that are not successful, most of them, if not all of them, don't feel abandoned. We work very hard to leave no trader behind.
Oh, Adam, Arnold's in chat. Arnold.
What's up, buddy? Sorry. Yeah. So, we work very hard to leave no trader behind. And there's a lot of people here that have been with us, that have been with us for many years. I really wanted to slow down and still do want to slow down the new annual signups. I think, and I believe, and I know Mike believes, that it is important to maintain the quality of what it is that we've built. It's worth protecting. Okay, that is my opinion. I feel like that, Mike feels the same way.
Yeah, for sure.
However, the entire reason why we created True Trading Group was to disrupt this entire industry, the whole industry of online stock market education and courses and chat rooms and all that crap, all the negativity, all the uphill battle for it. We really wanted to disrupt that industry, and it's something that we have and will continue to do. This is not and this is to Mike's point when we spoke about it. This is not a normal time in the stock market. This is not normal. This is not Yeah, it's just not normal. You know, there's a lot of people that are, you know, I think the word Arnold used was euphoric yesterday. There was people that are euphoric one day and are ready to, you know, hide under their covers for, you know, for the next month, the next day.
Right.
And you know, it's important that you remember where you come from, and it's important that you remember where you started and how you got to where you got. And so what we're going to do is this. It's a fine balancing act between running a company and trying to between running a company and you know, keeping the integrity of what was built and, you know, and everything else. So look, I shouldn't have gotten upset at Mike yesterday. I wish he would have talked about it with me beforehand. But I shouldn't have publicly gotten upset about it. So I apologize for that. What we are going to be doing moving forward is this. I didn't realize that CPI came out next week until we spoke about it today. It just felt like there was a million things going on.
Yeah.
Now that I know that CPI is coming out next week, now there's a lot of uncertainty of what's going on, and there's a lot of if this then that. So what we're going to do is as follows. We're going to leave open enrollment till Sunday. Sunday night after the live stream, we are going to go back to just trials. And that's it, you know. You know, if at a point there's extreme volatility and we need to do an open enrollment again, we will. But in order to maintain the balance of what it is that we're doing here, there's got to be some limits in place. Just because, look, if we kept it open at the price that we have it at, yeah, you know, we'd probably have another, you know, we'd have thousands and thousands of new members every year, which is great. But at a 78% retention rate,
yeah,
you know, see, that's the other thing. You know, True Trading Group doesn't churn out members every year.
right.
A lot of these, so you got to think about that. These groups, a lot of other groups that are out there, they're consistently churning members. So if they get 100 members that sign up, 30 of them stay, 70 of them burn out and leave.
Yeah.
We have a 78% retention rate since 2019, which is fantastic. That obviously is incredible. A good thing, but it also poses a challenge when you're growing.
Right. And we're growing very quickly, and we want that growth to be an asset, not a liability.
Exactly.
And the way that the moderators and I were very, very hands-on with the mentorship and everything that we do with all of our members. And we want to maintain that high quality and integrity of our platform, and want people that are serious about learning a skill that really could help change their lives and put them in better financial situations for them and for their family and for the future. Whether it's, you know, generating income through trading or just making better decisions with your long-term portfolio stuff, you know, or both, right? But what True Trading Group is not about, and what True Trading Group does not want, are people that come in and they just want to know, hey, what's the next mother of all short squeeze? Right. You know, let's go to war against the naked shorts. And
also, just, I'm sorry to interrupt, we're also not looking for people that you know, you don't have to be like the ultimate dedicated trading warrior either.
Right.
We're just looking for people that have realistic expectations. If you're looking to make $1 million overnight, if you're looking to, if you're looking to, you know, retire off of one trade,
right,
then you're going to be sadly disappointed signing up with us.
Yeah, True Trading Group is not for you. If that's what if you're treating the market as a casino And that's the mindset that you have. You're trying to get rich quick. You want someone, that's True Trading was not for you. There's a lot of other programs out there that would gladly take your money. You can YOLO and pray to the gods, that the trade works in your favor. It's just not the kind of person that we are going to invest our time into with the mentorship and everything that we do. I want people that are motivated and are dedicated. It's not about your experience. I don't care if you've never traded. Well, I don't care if you've never traded a stock or an option a day in your life. It's not about what experience level you have. It's just, are you serious about learning this skill? If so, fantastic. Then come and join the TTG family is really what it comes down to. And that's how we maintain the quality of the platform and the engagement that goes on during the day between members and moderators as we continue to grow, as thousands of more new people are signing up each year.
Yeah. So that stuff is a very important thing for us. And one of the things that I get afraid of as somebody that started this, because you have to understand, like, for those that are not TTG members on here, you guys see us on here. We do sales every night on, here, whether it's for trial or annual memberships or whatever. And we're a business, so that's what we do. For those that are not members, what you don't see are the 14-hour days that we all put in.
Right.
To make, to help make you guys successful. This is the most aggressive form of marketing we do, is on these live streams. There are no crazy ads and funnels that we put you through. It's none of that. This is it. Like, you're literally seeing it right here. And that's because we refuse to show you flashy, P&L numbers and all sorts of crap to get you to give us your money, right? I'd rather do less revenue than have to use those things to sell you. Okay. That's why, you got to ask yourself, well, why don't they ever tell what Mike made? Why did they ask the members what they're making? And that's because what Mike made is irrelevant. You guys aren't paying money to watch Mike make money.
And I'm not trading your money for you.
Right. You guys need to make money. If you're not making money, then who cares what Mike makes?
Right.
So, like, what are you guys? You're going to pay Mike. So you're going to pay Mike, myself, this company, so that you can feel good about Mike making money? Like, that's not what this is. Yeah. You need to see that other people just like you are making money. That's why we ask the question to members, and we don't, brag about Mike's, P&L. It's very important to us, man. And one of the biggest things that I get concerned about is I don't want to fast forward a year from now and people are saying, oh, remember when True Trading Group was great?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Remember when TTG was great? Remember when they were personable? Remember when they gave it crap?
Yep.
Remember when it was this way?
Remember when they used to know their members?
Right. That I don't want it to turn into that.
Yeah.
So, for us, it's one of those things where it's like, what do you do? Well, you got a couple options, right? You could go ahead and you can keep raising the price and draw a very large divide between people. That's one option, right? As much as nobody wants to talk about it or hear it, money is a huge equalizer. You know what I mean? It's a huge equalizer. So if we charge $2,000, then you're more likely to take it serious if you pay that amount of money. But there's a lot of people that will take it serious, right? Even if they spend less. So that's not really fair to judge those people just based on money either. It's a huge balancing act. It really is really difficult. And that's my job, not your job, right? That's our stuff. But we're going to be fluid with what it is that we offer, because at the end of the day, we want people to sign up. We want people to sign up that, we're not looking for you to dedicate every waking hour to this.
No.
We just want somebody that isn't going to come into chat, get an alert, YOLO their entire account on it, screw up their lives, and then come back and get upset. We want people that will give this a real chance, and we know that a year is the appropriate time that it will take to get there. You know, sometimes it happens sooner, but more or less, it takes it takes a little while to become consistent at something.
Yeah.
Just think about anything else you've ever done.
Absolutely.
All these other things, like, oh, I'll show you a pattern or a secret, or this, it's all garbage. None of that crap exists. That's why all these other people get in trouble or get shut down.
There is no secret. You know, like guys, believe me, I was there. I worked on Wall Street. If there was a secret indicator that Wall Street had that you didn't, I would know about it. The only secret is that for the first 3 months after I got hired, I sat in a classroom setting and was taught by other professional traders. The only secret is, it truly is the education itself, to actually learn and understand what you're doing. Yeah, but that's true for anything. That's true for any industry. That's true for any skill set. That's true for any profession. You know, it's not these people that are like, oh, I've got this one simple pattern, 10 minutes a day, you'll make $1,000, join me, blah, blah. It's garbage. Okay? It's all garbage. It's people trying to take advantage of your so bad desire to just excel and make money quickly. And it's nonsense. But
so anyways, so what we are going to do is as follows. I think that what makes the most sense for True Trading Group, and again, we are figuring this out with you guys. But what we are going to do is we're going to take this weekend and we're going to, you know, we will open up right now, just to give you guys an idea. We have 141 active trials in chat total. Every 7 days or every couple days they rotate out because it's a 7-day trial. So there's a lot of trials right now. The average for us is about 85 to 100 active trials every single day. Meaning that they're either on the app or they are still, you know, within their 7-day time period. We've been averaging 141 for the past month. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to say this. From now, and we'll run this till Sunday at midnight. All right, Sunday at midnight. We'll take 50 spots. Okay? We'll take 50 spots and we will give them out to anyone that wants it until Sunday at midnight. We got the live stream Sunday night.
Sunday during the day.
Huh? Oh, that's right. The live stream is Sunday during the day because of the Super Bowl.
Because of the Super Bowl.
Okay. So what we will do is we will give out 50 spots between now and Sunday. Understand that, and I'm not just saying this, this literally happens every single time. Those spots are going to go.
Oh, yeah.
I have turned down more than 50 people this week. So it's not a matter of getting the best price, which you are. It's not a matter of getting the best incentive, which you are. It's a matter of every day that you're not part of the right group and don't have access to the right tools. That is another day that you are unnecessarily going through this by yourself. So I'm going to take 50 spots. I'm going to open it up. Mike, run through it. I'm going to open it up right now with Sammer. Okay?
Awesome. I love it. I love it, man. All right, guys. So listen, yeah, what I'll just explain to you real quickly. So anyone that does want to take advantage of that open enrollment that will leave for 50 spots until Sunday at midnight, you'll go to ttgoffer.com. You'll enter the coupon code TTG121. You'll click apply code. The price will drop down to $1,000. Right? Price drops down to $1,000. With that open enrollment, you're going to get a free laptop. We cover the shipping. You guys don't have to pay for shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. Don't worry, we have members in over 100 different countries. You don't live in the U.S., doesn't matter. We'll get you a laptop as long as you live on planet Earth. All right. You're also going to get a free one-on-one mentor session with one of our mods, and you're also going to get a double your money back guarantee. It's very simple. I stand behind the platform that we have created, and I see the results that members have. Therefore, I have absolutely no qualms whatsoever of offering you double your money back if you are unable to make the $1,000 membership fee back at least once during your membership. I'll give you back $2,000. That is the commitment that we make to you when you commit to us, right? You just have to go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group. Do those three things. And if you can make that $1,000 back at least once, guys, during your membership, we'll give you back $2,000. You can keep that laptop, right? You can keep that laptop, all right? Go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121. That includes all of our courses and all of our tools. Joe, maybe you can post the link for the syllabus in chat so members can actually see the list of all the courses they get access to. It's our 22 course curriculum. It is a simplified yet expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the Fund in New York, that 3-month educational training program. That's the level of education that you guys are receiving. There are no upsells for courses. You don't join and then all of a sudden there's more special VIP courses that are another $1,000. We don't play games like that. You join our platform, you get access to all of our courses, and you get access to all of our tools. The tools that come included with your membership are the Benzinga Pro newsfeed, TradingView's premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner streams live on our platform each and every single day. You get a simulator from ETNA so you can practice with fake money but real-time data. Full book level 2 from Quote Media, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, congressional trades, a trading journal, social sentiment scanner, analyst ratings, insider buying, insider selling, short data. All of this is included when you join the TTG platform. You just go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop down to $1,000. Enter info, check out. Anyone that is currently a trial member, okay? Adam said there's 141 trial members. If you are one of those people and you want this deal, this is also available to you. Matter of fact, it's available to anyone that used to be a trial or used to be an annual member as well. But we have to whitelist your email address. So you have to send a text message to 786-505-4049. The phone number is at the bottom of your screen. Again, that's 786-505-4049. Yeah, my boy Woody. I'm on a 13-day winning streak that wouldn't have happened without TTG. 13 days. Boom! Woody actually came, stopped by, saw the TTG fam. So it was awesome. Absolutely awesome meeting you. And congrats, man, on the 13-day win streak. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. All right, guys. So again, send a text message if you're a current trial, previous trial, or previous member, and you guys want this deal. You send us a text message to 786-505-4049, and we'll get you guys situated. We just got to whitelist your email address. Also, if you have any questions about the membership, the platform, the tools, about me, the other moderators, anything, you can also text that phone number. We're a full open book. Any questions you have, we're happy to answer. Any concerns you have, we're happy to answer. We're there. All right. So just send us a text message. All right. So again, that's ttgoffer.com. And then the coupon code will be TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops to $1,000. How do you know that you are one of the 50 spots if you're watching this over the weekend after it's already aired? If you go to ttgoffer.com and you are directed to the checkout cart that you see on the screen in front of you, you're good to go. Because once open enrollment closes for the 50 spots, the ttgoffer.com will automatically redirect you to our trial page, which is ttg3.com, 3 spelled out. So it's ttgthree.com. That's our trial membership. So if you go to ttgoffer.com, and then you're just automatically redirected to TTG3. That means open enrollment's closed. We've already had 50 people sign up, and then you have to go through the trial membership. And how that will work is after you join the trial, if based on your engagement, and if we feel that you are the right fit for a True Trading Group, we'll invite you to become an annual member of the TTG platform if you choose. You don't have to just because we invite you. It would be totally up to you. But the price would be around $1,800 for the membership at that time. Okay. So that's going to be the process. That's how we're doing it. So if you guys want, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. All right, folks. So there we have that. All right, let's do a quick check-in on over at the SPY. We are testing that 408 level yet. Whoa, wait a second. GNS is coming across my scan. Guys, TTG fam, get GNS on your watch list and on your screen. Okay, GNS, my price alert just went off. This is a stock that we've been watching now. Obviously, I mean, everybody's been talking about GNS over the last couple of weeks. You had the big, move higher in the middle of January, and the company talking about fighting naked shorts, et cetera. But the thing that has my interest with this stock is you have a very big support level at $5, and that support level at $5 held yesterday. So if we take a look here at GNS, right? You take a look here at GNS, you see the tail down there yesterday, and you look back here to the left, and you start to see this beautiful level of support, gap up, pull back, support, reversal candle engulfing yesterday's price action. This is, if we close up here, this is going to be a bullish candle on GNS if we close up here. If this stock gets over 650, 660, you got to watch this for a potential short squeeze up to around, I would say that this probably has room to around $10, $11, possibly even 12. But I would look for that short squeeze, okay, to give you, something that would look like this on GNS, as I just do not believe. Obviously, the stock is very heavily shorted, and there has not been any price action at all that has allowed shorts to cover out of their positions. There has not been any sharp moves to the downside. There have not been very high volume days. There have not been an opportunity for shorts to get out of their positions and take profit. They've also not stopped out of their positions either. You're sitting with this short position on GNS that is just stagnant. And shorts do not like to just be stagnant, because now as this thing starts to climb higher and you start to get shorts begin to cover that position, that's how you get that short squeeze. And then retail traders will jump on the back of that momentum, which further fuels the short squeeze. So this has potential to squeeze. It is on watch. We've been watching it for the last couple of days, and my price alert just went off while we're doing this live stream with you guys right here. So this candle just is what set off a price alert. I am not long the stock. I am not in it. I do not have a position, but it's something that we are watching. I want to see this stock get over like this 660 area. I'll draw this area on my screen so you guys can all see this. And if you take a look to the left, you'll see that you have this previous level of support back here, right? You can see this little structure support. We broke beneath that on the 7th. And then as you zoom in, you can see it became resistance. It became resistance. And now here we are, starting to move to the upside. I'm not really going to get overly excited about this until the stock gets up here and starts to clear out some of this congestion and starts to clear out some of that structure. I'm going to need to see very high volume. What would high volume look like that would be indicative of a short squeeze in the making? I need to see volume candles like you saw back here, right? You see these volume bars back here? I mean, this is a 3-minute chart, but I need to see 3 million, 4 million share candles, right, on a 3-minute chart. I need to see volume that is through the roof like that. That would tell me that shorts are covering their positions. You cannot have a short squeeze without significantly increasing volume, right? You can't have it. Short squeezes do not happen without that very, very heavy volume. So I am looking for very heavy volume through this like 660, 675. Then I think it's time to start to have some fun, because then you have 2 levels that are left, right? You have 2 levels that are left after you get through that resistance. You can draw these levels down, right? You can draw these levels on your screen now, so you're ready if and when these areas happen. But If you clear this 660s area, your next resistance will be $7.30. You can see this resistance here. Once that level is cleared, the last level of resistance is $8. And if you break $8, it's gone. You break $8, it's gone. All right. At that point, your shorts will all start covering their positions. They'll start to panic, and the stock will be at 9, 10, 11 before you can sneeze. So no position yet, but I have price alerts set. So if the stock does start to go, I get notified, like what just happened here, right? So I got a price alert. I get notified. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take a look over and see what the stock is doing, and not taking a position on it yet because we have not broken above the level that I'm looking for. But you better believe there's only 8 minutes to go. I don't think you're going to get really any action here with 8 minutes to go. But you better believe this is on my watch for Monday. I wouldn't be surprised if you see this thing up around $7 on Monday, expect me to come on the live stream and say, hey guys, we traded GNS today, right? We got to welcome Reva. Welcome to the TTG family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. That means we are now down to 49 spots for open enrollment. All right, we are now down to 49 spots for open enrollment. Go to ttgoffer.com, enter that coupon code, TTG121. That is TTG121. Enter that coupon code, guys. Click apply code. The price drops down to $1,000. All right. All right, guys, we're testing this 408 level now on the SPY. All right, so you're testing this 408 level now on the SPY. You only have 7 minutes to go, so I'm not expecting much. And I am also out, guys. I just got to fill final profits off on the AMD trade. Like I said, I'm not going to be holding the rest of that position overnight. So now I'm completely flat all positions. So final profit off on the AMD trade and final profit off on the NVIDIA trade a couple hours ago. All right, so now I'm completely flat everything. I will be sending out the official, got to send out the official notification now to all of our members inside True Trading Group so that they all know. All right. All right, so alert that. So all of our members now have just been notified that my order has filled in real time, just like that. Boom. All right. We got to welcome Felix. Felix is the newest member of our group. Everybody welcome Felix. 48 of those spots now remain for open enrollment. 48 of those spots now remain for open enrollment. Guys, again, just go to ttgoffer.com. You'll get access to all the courses, all of the tools. You got the one-on-one mentor session. You got the free laptop, and you have the double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need the double your money back guarantee, to be completely honest with you, because we've only had to give a refund to 2.83% of our members since 2016. And we have a 78% retention rate on our members since 2019. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,000 reviews. Based on all of that information, I can very confidently say that this has worked for thousands of people. And if you put forth an effort, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a study group, I'm willing to back up your membership with our own money. You'll pay $1,000. If you make back the $1,000, fantastic. We're going to keep your $1,000. If you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend the study group, and do not ever make back the $1,000 membership fee at least once during your membership, I will give you back $2,000. That's the commitment that we make when you guys join True Trading Group. We got to welcome Jasper. Jasper is the newest member. Welcome, Jasper. 47 spots now remain. 47 spots now remain. Everybody welcome Jasper. Guys, I don't think we're gonna break through this 408 level. I think you'll just push into it and then just kind of fade out and just kind of chop around. There's 4 minutes left. I don't think we're gonna go to like 409, 409.50. I don't expect us to break this level. So I know we're pushing into it. I do not expect this level to break with the last couple of minutes, of the trading day. All right. I think we'll close right around here, give or take, 50 cents or so. I don't think we're really going to push through. Nathaniel, welcome, Nathaniel. 46 of these spots now remain. Nathaniel, 46. Guys, hurry. I'm telling you, these spots are going to go quick. We're going to leave this until Sunday. but these spots are going to go quick. You can see we're already down, they're already coming off the table here. So go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops to $1,000, and you'll know you're getting one of those 46 spots if it takes you to the checkout page. If you're redirected to the trial page, then you know that there are no more spots left and those 50 spots have been claimed. So it's going to be whatever happens first. So we're going to leave this until either Sunday at midnight or 50 people join. Whatever one of those things happens first, right? So when you go to ttgoffer.com, that's how you'll know if you're one of the 50. If it's after Sunday at midnight, then it doesn't matter. Then it'll just, the open enrollment will be closed. All right. And don't forget, if you have any questions or
just want to say something real quick. If you're a trial member right now, the cheapest price that you can get it for is $1,420. If you're a current trial member, the cheapest price you can get it for is $1,420. We give this code on the YouTube channel for you to use. So if you just signed, there's a bunch of people that just signed up for the trial. We will not be offering you this price if you don't take advantage of it while we have the spots open. So I just want to give everyone a heads up, because yes, I do want you to pay me more money, but I also want to be fair about it too. So if you're a trial member and you just signed up, so like John Mundy or Soccer USA, I see you just signed up, or Randy is his name. You will see on your dashboard that 1420 is the cheapest it's going to be. So we can whitelist your email and give you access to that code. Okay, that will not be the case later on. So I just want to be fair about it. All right, go ahead, Mike. Sorry.
Congrats, flying low, goes Mike. 6-day green streak going. Thanks to TTG. Appreciate all you guys do. Flying low. You've been trading very, very well. Keep it up. Keep it up. I love it. Great job. Yeah, so guys, also, if you have any questions, don't forget, seriously, if you have any questions, don't be shy. Text the phone number that's at the bottom of your screen. All right? Just text us. We'll answer any questions that you guys have. Okay? 786-505-4049. All right? All right, guys, we've got 1 minute to go, not even, before the bell. Like I said, I didn't, I said, I don't think we're going to break this level. You guys can see right now that we're just sitting right here at 408. So I figure we'll just kind of close it right there. Nice way to go, Cloud. Cloud goes final take profit on the meta trade. Thank you, Jess. In at 490, out at 650 on that option. Way to go. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Everybody, honestly, congrats. It's one hell of a week. There's the bell. We're closed. And what a way to finish out the week, man. Just banger after banger after banger. It seems like every day this week there was a monster. Every day this week there was a monster. It's unbelievable. My hat goes off to all of the moderators in chat. Fantastic week of trading. Just proud of all of you and members as well. A lot of members have been hitting some milestones. A lot of members are on hot streaks that are lasting longer than they've ever lasted before, about, green streaks or green weeks or green months, etc. So my congratulations to all of our members that are hitting their milestones and are seeing success there as well. It's just been a fantastic week and a fantastic start to 2023. And I think that next week is going to be even crazier once you get your CPI number. You thought the market's been volatile so far. Wait until that CPI number comes out. And man, oh man, if that number is higher than expected, whoa, boy, buckle up, strap in, put your helmet on, maybe think about the mouthpiece, because it's going to be one hell of a ride. We'll be live with members at 8:30 a.m. when that number comes out, breaking it down and going over with you guys. And Sunday, you're going to want to tune in and join us on Sunday, because on Sunday, I will give you my exact game plan for CPI. If this, then that scenarios. If the CPI number comes in here, this is how I think the markets react. This is what I'm going to do. If the number comes in here, this is how I think the markets react. This is what I'm going to do. You will react to that number. I will react to that number. I'm not going to try to predict that number. There's no way for me to know with any type of edge or advantage what that number is going to be. So instead, I will just use my experience and my knowledge to say, okay, well, if the number is here, this is how I think the markets react. This is how I will position myself so that we can make money from the move. We're going to react to that data. We're not going to try to predict that data. That's how you put yourself in the highest probability situation. We got to welcome Arlo. Arlo's the newest member. Guys, we're now down to 45 spots. They are going quickly. I told you these are going to fly. So go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. That price drops right down to $1,000. We got to welcome Ava, my niece's name, my little munchkin. I'm excited to see her this weekend. It's my mother's birthday celebration. So we'll be seeing my fam. We got to welcome Ava. 44 spots left. 44 now, as Ava has just up. Now we got to welcome Keziah. Keziah, that's a cool name. I like that. I've never heard that name before, but it's pretty cool. I like saying it. Keziah. Welcome to the TTG family. 43 spots now remain. Yes, Lori, I saw your message today, Lori. I'm so damn happy for you. So Lori, okay, has just paid off her son's spring tuition for university. Congrats on that, Lori. And now she is starting to build it back up. So she's already up 70% in her new account over the last 10 days, I believe, in TTG. Lori, yes, I love it. Congrats on the hot start to the new account as we're trying to build that back up to continue. That's a beautiful thing. Like, that's the why. You know, we ask members a lot in True Trading Group, like, why do you want to do this? And, you know, yeah, sure. We all like nice things. We all like, you know, Ferraris and mansions and yachts. Of course, everybody loves those things, right? But, you know, when you join True Trading Group, there's real people with real reasons, and something as beautiful as, you know, earning the extra money to pay for your son's university is an amazing thing to be able to do. And it's an amazing goal. And Lori, it is my damn honor and pleasure to help you succeed in that and help your family in every single possible way. And that goes for all of the members of True Trading Group. I love you guys. So if you guys, anyone that's on this live stream, if you are not interested in a membership at all, you can sign off the live stream now, because what I'll do here moving forward is I'll actually show you the platform so you guys can see what the $1,000 membership fee is going to get you, like what the course is and tools, what it all looks like. So if you're not interested, you can sign off, but make sure you subscribe to the channel first. We do these lives 6 days a week, and we're going to go live Sunday, probably around, I don't know, Adam, I think we do 2:00 for Super Bowl. If I remember, I think it's 2 p.m. Yeah, so 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. guys on Sunday, we'll go live. We usually do 8:30 p.m. on Sunday evenings, but it's Super Bowl, so we don't want to compete with the Super Bowl. So we'll go live at 2 p.m. before everybody goes to their Super Bowl parties and starts to have fun and enjoys the big game. So we'll be live at 2 p.m. I'll give you guys my game plans for Tuesday's CPI number. And for now, I'll show everybody the platform. So if you guys are interested, you can see all the tools and everything you have access to, because it's all inclusive. You get all the courses and all the tools. Let me show you some of the stuff. Of course, you get a chat room, right? Bods and I are in the chat room from pre-market till after hours every day. We're there the whole day, answering questions, providing market commentary, giving you our trade ideas, going over lessons from pre-market till the close, right? We're not gone after an hour or two, and then you're just left to fend for yourself. Right? We're with you the whole trading day. Myself and the 9 professional trading mods are with you the whole time. Okay. You get a mobile app, which will let you see the screen share, listen to the audio, and receive real-time push notifications when the mods enter and exit trades. That way, if you guys have busy schedules, you're not in front of your computer, you can still benefit from everything that we're doing in TTG. We're not scalpers. We're not in and out within seconds or minutes. Our day trades last several hours long, and our swing trades last several days long. So it's easy for people to get into our trade and follow the alerts by using the mobile app. All right. You're also going to get 2 private study group sessions with our mods, so you guys can speed up your learning curve. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. Now, if you went to Benzinga directly, this will cost you $1,000 a year. It's included in your TTG membership for $1,000 a year. And you get everything else. Molly, welcome. 42 spots now, guys. 42 spots now remain. Open enrollment for Molly. 42 spots left. Welcome to the TTG family. Again, that's ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. You'll also get TradingView's premium charting software. That's like $600 a year if you went to TradingView directly. You get the Trade Idea scanner. It streams on our platform every day, so you know what stocks are going to be the hottest. It's the industry standard scanner. It's one of the best scanners that's out there. It's on our platform, streaming for you guys every day. You get ETNA's simulator. That's going to be a way for you guys to trade with fake money, but with real-time data, so you can practice implementing what you're learning and prove you can make money on the simulator before you start risking your hard-earned cash. Please use the simulator before you start risking your own money. Make sure that you can make money on the sim before you risk your cash. You're also going to get our own proprietary scanner, which allows you to create customized scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow. All right, we're in the process of integrating on the platform right now congressional trades. So you'll know when members of Congress and their family members make trades, you'll be able to track all of that activity. That's included with your membership as well. You get a trading journal that tracks your trading and breaks it down to the numbers and statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong and where you need to make adjustments. You get a social sentiment scanner to tell you what stocks are being talked about most on social media. You get analyst ratings on any stock, so you'll know exactly how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on a particular name, whether or not there's been insider buying, whether or not there's been insider selling, what's the short data. All of this is included with your membership. You get a watch list every day. The mods and I tell you the stocks we're focused on with a game plan. It's not enough to just say, oh, Tesla's on my watch list today. What the hell does that mean? Are you going to buy it? Are you going to short it? What price are you going to buy it? What price are you going to sell it? Where are you going to take profit? Where are you going to stop out if you're wrong? Just saying Tesla's on my watch list is meaningless. That's not actionable information. We give you the stocks with the game plan. Guys, I'm looking at short NVIDIA, 221, look for targets, 210. Like that's, you get all of that information before the market even opens. That's how you know where to focus your attention. That's where we believe, at least, that's where the opportunity is going to lie. And you guys will know that ahead of time. Then you get access to all the courses. The courses are a simplified but expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund. You get beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures. It is all included.
Hey, sorry, it's the only way to get your attention. Randy, aka Soccer USA, just signed up.
Oh, that's and Randy, that's fantastic. And he was just a trial. Randy, man, that's awesome. 41 spots left. Randy, welcome to the family, man. I'm glad to have you part of the team, bro. I really am. Randy, 41 spots now left. And guys, that goes for anybody else that's a trial member. If you guys want this deal, text us 786-505-4049. We're already down to 41 spots. I'm telling you, these are going to go whatever comes first. 41 people join or Sunday at midnight. That's when this offer is valid until. Just go to ttgoffer.com, use the code TTG121. Click apply code, and then you guys are good to go.
So I'm going to say something real quick because it's been driving me nuts today, right? We have a member, a trial member in chat, right? The person, soft shell, I'm not going to get into who they are or whatever, but this person right here is a trial member inside a chat, okay? This person has been extremely active inside a chat, good sense of humor, really engaging, and totally fine if you're a trial member and you don't want to sign up. That is totally up to you. That is your no obligation to do so. But comments like this, I think I need more time to be a better trader first.
That makes no sense.
Makes zero sense. What the person should say is, I'm not comfortable spending the money. I don't want to give the time. I don't want to do, something that actually makes sense. This does not make any sense. And if that's your real answer, which I don't think it is, or I'm hoping that it is.
Well, here's my thing. Soft shell, the thing is that how do you plan on becoming a better trader by yourself is the question that I have for you. So the whole reason why people join True Trading Group is so that they do become a better trader. Yeah. You're not going to become a better trader by, just scouring Twitter or Reddit and you're going to magically just figure everything out on your own. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught by other professionals when at my first job right out of college. You can't look at it or approach it from a means of, well, I'm like that. Like, it's like when people say a very similar thing that sometimes people say, they'll say, well, I'm going to trade first and I'm going to make $1,000. Then I'm going to join your trading group. Wait, how does that make any sense?
It doesn't. You know, a lot of
You're
times
going to, you're going to, what will end up
sign out.
happening. I'm sorry, Adam, but what will end up happening is you'll lose $1,000 and you could have spent that $1,000 on a membership in Georgia.
Yeah, he says it is a bit intimidating. Of course it is, because it's new. There's a lot of stuff you don't know. Of course it's a bit intimidating. If it wasn't intimidating, if it was easy, if it was so simple that anyone can do it at any point, then the stock market would have, you know, 1 billion people participating. But that's not what it is. So yes, it is intimidating. Yes, it can be scary. Yes, all of these things. But it's not any less intimidating or any less scary or any less of a risk going at it by yourself.
Right. Yeah. If anything,
So
it's more.
That's why. Look,
it's more intimidating.
If you were to say, I don't have the money to do it, I am not comfortable doing it right now, I got too many other responsibilities, all of those things make sense. I hope that this is just an excuse for your sake, because you don't want to, whether you sign up with True Trading Group or not, you don't want to, you're going to waste a lot more money trying to figure it out on your own.
Absolutely.
So anyways, all good.
Absolutely.
Moving on. Joe, you can take that off the screen. Sugar Ween says you can put it on a credit card, right? Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Sugar Ween.
Yeah, Michelle, Soft Shell, we see how many hours you logged in. Of course, that's why we're taking the time to talk to you about it.
Yeah, so Soft Shell, you've been a very active trial member. I've very much enjoyed.
You don't need to feel. Look. Hold on. That goes. Now I feel like poop. You don't need to feel like poop. Okay, that's your choice. We could sugarcoat it, or we could tell you what we know to be the truth. Your call. We're not gonna, we're not gonna sit here and tell you the things that you want to hear. We're gonna tell you the things that you need to hear. And if you don't want to do it, then that's fine. You could sign off the stream. You don't owe us anything.
Yeah,
we're good. Go take it somewhere else. Next.
We got a comment from Dan4. I've been a member of TTG for a month. I'm still going through the courses to learn and have already become a much better trader than I was. I joined in October, done the courses, attend Colada Club every day, and I have changed completely my trading. You can't do it on your own. I have tried it for 2 years and made no real progress till now. I love it. Teaching maybe into a better trader. It didn't happen overnight. It took some time, but I'm way better now than when I started. I love it. All right, guys. So there you have. Ask who has benefited from joining. Yeah, my teaching fam. Type the number 1 if you've benefited from joining True Trading Group. I'm honestly, if you were skeptical or if you were intimidated at first, and now your only regret is you didn't join sooner. If you guys are if you're making progress, if you're having success, if you're making money, just go ahead and type the number 1. Type the number 1 in chat if that's you. There's a lot of people out there, and Soft Shell, I know, and I'm coming back to you because I know it's something that you're thinking about. You got all these people that are typing the number 1. They were in the exact same position that you're in. This goes for anybody. Learning a new skill can be intimidating. Learning, a new skill it takes a bit of an effort. It takes some time. You're not just going to overnight just become a millionaire. Right? But all these people that you're seeing type the number 1, they're people just like you. All the same hurdles. Small account, full-time job, no experience, lost money in the markets before, were scammed by some other BS group. They all have those same hurdles. They've all got those same issues. And you guys can see firsthand for yourself how many people are typing number 1. Jimmy, I love you, bro. Jimmy goes, I was skeptical at first, but when Mike pronounced my last name right, I was sold. Jamie, I hope you're well, man. I hope you're doing well. That's awesome. Oh, man. All right, guys. So that's it, folks. All right, so now you guys have an idea of everything that you get access to with the courses and the platform. And you get a video library too. The video library has 400 hours of workshops and webinars that we've covered with members, going over a bunch of different topics. And then you can start attending all these workshops live when you guys become full-time members. You guys, you can go to ttgoffer.com. You can enter the coupon code TTG121. You click apply code. The price drops to $1,000. You enter your information, you check out, you're good to go. You got the double your money back guarantee for peace of mind and to hold us accountable, but I honestly don't think that you need it. We've given a refund to 2.83% of our members since 2016. 78% of our members renew their membership. 5-star rated on Trustpilot, over 2,000 reviews. Go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops down to $1,000. You have any questions, or you're a previous trial or previous member, send us a text message to the number at the bottom of your screen, 786-505-4049. All right, folks. That's all she wrote for me. Great week, guys. Great way to end the week. Great way to end the week. Everybody enjoy your weekend. Let's go Chiefs. Although I think the Eagles are going to win. I do think the Eagles are the best team in the NFL. But as a New York Giants fan, I will root for anyone other than the Eagles. I'm sorry for all of my Philadelphia fans. I hate you this weekend. But I'll love you on Monday. I promise. All right. Have a great weekend, everybody. Enjoy the game. Have fun. Be safe. Don't forget, 2 p.m. Sunday afternoon, we're going to go live. We'll talk about everything for next week. I'll see you guys there. Set your notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. I'll see you guys all Sunday. Have a great weekend.